Exercise 189. Dear Sir, I am in receipt of your letter of the 24th and I regret to state that I am unable to give you the information you require. I can assure you I should be pleased to do so if it were possible. I am surprised to hear from you that the funds of your society are in such a bad way. I regard the objects of the society as most praiseworthy, and I cannot understand how it is that public support should be withheld. I enclose check for £10 as a subscription and shall be glad to give the same amount next year. I am much obliged to you for the copy of the report. Yours faithfully. Exercise 190. Dear Sir, I brought your letter before the Board of Directors at their meeting yesterday, but after some discussion, they were obliged to postpone further consideration of the matter until the next directors' meeting, which will be held on the last Tuesday afternoon of this month. I think the directors would be glad if you would kindly set forth your proposals more fully than is done in your letter. The first cost of the material is very low, but the question of the additional cost of preparing it for sale and the additional expense which will probably be incurred in advertising it is sure to be taken into consideration by the directors, and if they had your estimate of what the total expenditure is likely to amount to, it would no doubt help them in coming to a decision. If you will make an appointment for some day next week, I shall be glad to see you, and it is just possible that I may be able to give you some further particulars. Meanwhile, I have the pleasure to enclose copy of the director's report published last month. Yours faithfully.